All right, so I built another ramp. This one fits in my vehicle. So it's 40 inches long, 30 inches tall, about 3 feet wide, so about 37 inches. And we're gonna let my son try it. Nice. Hit it, do the jump. Whoa, let go. Oh, right on your back. All right. So I've been doing a lot of testing on this ramp, and it's a little on the steep side. So what happens is when I get going really fast, it'll smack, the shocks will compress and it'll smack the ramp, and then I won't get as good of a lift out of it. So I'm gonna have to probably take it apart and work on it, or I leave it as is. Basically I can get a slow run up and then it launches it. So there's a little comparison to the discount ramps. If you stack two of the discount ramps, it's almost the size of this ramp, but the slope, I'm going to try to match that slope. So anyway, the Kraton launch is the best. That was hard. See if I can demonstrate it here. So if you hit the lower, I lost all power and it turned back on. Okay, that's done that to me before and I don't know why it's doing that now. So that's now the second time, right when I'm starting out, it just loses power. We're connected and then it starts back up and I don't understand. This is the Hexfly Hex 6, but it's a 6S version, not the 8S version. And I thought I had a bad fan because the fan shorted out last time I did that, but the fan's working. I don't understand why it would just lose power and then turn back on. It doesn't make sense. Alright, so as I was saying, if I hit the smaller ramps, I get decent distance, right? All depending on speed. So the ramp I made, I get a nice launch. Now if I try to hit it at speed, see how it, that one was actually decent, but it'll kind of scrub the speed if I go too fast. So I'm not sure, but this is a riot right here. Just a riot. Kind of get my choice, distance or height. That was a nice floater. I break her rod end again or something? It's like she's squatting. Oh, no, we broke the, wow. That's the first time I've broken an RPM wing mount. Wow. Launching pretty good today. I don't know, maybe it's my placement. I've got a little further down the hill. We're gonna move it and see. Uh-oh. Almost hit the house. That would have been bad. There we go. See, I felt like it scrubbed the speed a little bit, but I still got a really good launch, so maybe it's just me needing practice. I didn't quite commit to that double. Got it. Oh, that might be the end of the Desert Militia. Oh, oh no. The Desert Militia, you've served me so well. We'll see if we can't tape it together some more. I do love this body, it's lasted a very long time. See, it kicked off the back lip there.
Daddy, can I drive now?
Yeah, you can drive. Alright. Son wants to drive the Super Baja Ray. We'll do one more. So, that's my new ramp. I love it. I just have to decide if I want to tear it apart and make any adjustments to it. Till next time, guys.